Alright guys, I'm doing a special recipe. So I got some gnocchi here and I'm going to make a sauce out of it with this ground chicken, which was on sale, as you can see, $2 off. So I'm going to make a recipe out of this. This gnocchi has actually been pretty good. I got this tomato sauce that I'm going to use here, and I got some Italian vegetable blend that I'm going to mix in with the sauce. So I'm going to cook this up, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to get it all set up. So yeah, this was on sale, and ground chicken is generally pretty over, like it said, if you look at it per kilogram, it's like $17. I don't know why it's so expensive, but it is. But yeah, it's on sale, so I'm going to cook it up, make it into a sauce, and then cook the gnocchi. So I'm going to cook the gnocchi first, and then strain it just like you would with pasta, and then make the sauce. So I'll be back, guys, stay tuned. Alright, so I got the chicken all cooking up here with seasoning, and you can see here my gnocchi's all done there. So I'm getting ready. I'm going to add the vegetables, and then I'm going to add the tomato sauce afterwards. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, the vegetables are in now. Now I'm just waiting for the water to boil down a bit, and then I'll add the tomato sauce. Alright guys, stay tuned, and then I'm going to take that sauce and put it right on top of all the gnocchi there. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so the tomato sauce is in. I'm just waiting for it to simmer down, reduce the liquid in there, and then good to go. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, it is all done, as you can see. It looks awesome. So we're going to do a quick taste test. See if the flavors meld good there. It's really good. So you get a lot of this flavor from the veggies, and then the meats in there, and it melts right into the gnocchi. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post, below, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, there's the gnocchi down there. So, alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.